Hey guys, Josh here from TrailBuilt and TrailBuilt Off-Road on the YouTube. So today we're back in front of you guys because a couple of months ago we had launched our website trailbuiltoffroad.com, and now just a couple of weeks ago we have implemented a gallery for TrailBuilt Off-Road. So our gallery is for all of you guys to go to upload your off-road vehicle, your off-road rig up to the gallery. So that way you can load what tire sizes you have, what wheel size, what suspension size, all those different things. And then once somebody else is trying to find the same vehicle or what fits on their vehicle, their off-road vehicle, they're gonna be able to go to the gallery, they're gonna be able to check it out, they're gonna find the same year, the same make, the same model. And let's say you have a guy that's running a Jeep Wrangler or a gal that's running a Jeep Wrangler and they want to run 35s on 17-inch wheels with a 4.5-inch back spacing and they have a 2-inch lift. Well, they'll be able to punch in that same exact criteria on the gallery and then find out how that fitment works for them. So if they have rubbing at full lock to lock when they're steering, or let's say they're completely flexed out on the rocks and it starts to rub up in the inner fenders, they're gonna be able to determine if that's the size that they wanna go with, or maybe go down a size, or maybe get some clearance fenders or anything like that. So what we wanted to do today is just real briefly show you our gallery, explain a little bit about why it works, and run basically like a tutorial through with you guys to show you how it works on the website. All right guys, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions on how to upload your off-road rig to the gallery, go ahead, let us know, drop them in the comments below. And make sure, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That way you guys can hold on to the ride with us. As always, we appreciate all of you for watching. I'm Josh from TrailBuilt Off-Road. We'll see you guys next time.